Today I am making eggless coconut cake. This cake is the perfect treat for a relaxing afternoon. In a bowl, take 1/3 cup melted ghee, 3/4 cup powdered sugar. You can easily measure 3/4 cup by using half cup and 1/4 cup. Blend it until smooth. Then add 1/3 cup desiccated coconut. You can use fresh coconut as well. Mix until well combined. Then add 1 cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Ensure all ingredients are mixed properly. Then gradually add 150 ml lukewarm milk. 150 ml is around 2/3 cup. Few drops of vanilla extract and our cake batter is ready. Pour the batter in a 6-inch cake pan. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut. It's completely optional. You can sprinkle some nuts as well. Bake this cake on convection mode in microwave. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Every microwave is different, so time may vary by 3-4 minutes. So check after 30 minutes. You can bake this cake in OTG and in a kadhai as well. And if you are baking for the first time in microwave convection mode, please make sure that use metal pots in only convection mode. Don't use metal pots in simple microwave settings and never use in solo microwave. You can serve it hot or cold, it's up to you. It's a very simple recipe, anyone can bake. Try it and you will not regret.